to my live stream, mga lalabs. Wala talagang tao. So, ano ba yun? Parang, parang hindi na nababasa yung live stream ko ng ganitong oras. This is my free time. So, that's why I do my live stream, mga loves. Okay? Okay. You are sleeping, okay, go to sleep. And if you are awake, can you please spend your little time to my live stream? Even you can hit the like button, and then if you will hit the like button, that's all. So just 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 say good afternoon or good morning, or what else? What else you wanna? Okay, thank you very much, very much, very much. It's okay, even no people. I know that you are busy. I know that you are still working. I know that you are want to sleep. So maybe this is not the right time for you to watch me on my YouTube. So it's okay. You can go to sleep. Hello. Hello, Merno. You can go to sleep if you like. You can take a nap if you like. What else? So, for those who like to tambay in my live stream, you can hit the like and you can subscribe so that you will notify anytime that I have upload new video. Oh, yeah, I have video later. One video. Okay? Okay, thank you very much. So, itong isa kong channel, guys, is wala siyang tao as in. I don't know what will happen to this channel. Oh. Hey, 200K. You are there calling the attention of my 200K. Where are you now? Huh? What? What? All of you are gone? Oh my gosh. Why? Why is like that? I don't understand that you are forgot me. Hello. Ang liit ng pangalan, di ko mabasa. Hello, Pinder. No? Liit ng pangalan, guys. Di ko mabasa, guys. Wait. Try to find a way how to read the um, um, so the name is Pin. Pin. Hi, Pin. The other one is, sorry guys ha, kasi yung mata ko. My mata ko is there is something wrong to my eyes. It's like need a glasses. Yeah. I need a glass for my eyes. Very true. Anyways, in my first channel, I need to upload a YouTube video. Don't forget that Lego challenge. And the other one is Lego challenge. Yes. I'm going to upload also in my higher tier. My higher level pala. Okay? So, I want to upload soon. Please support my membership, guys. My membership is still available. And I will update to upload a new videos. Wag itaw lagi. Uy, this because wag itaw ambot na usap. Di na nako siya i-delete. Kaya nang nagkaroon siya ng conflict ba? Nga nasamot na yun nga wala na dyan tao. Like this. Oh. I only make highlights only here.